What if your sausage is much more delicious as this? What if your sausage is much more bigger than this? And what if your sausage is much more unique as this? Introducing Tio's Homemade Sausage. Tio's Homemade Sausage. It's the sausage that is y'all been waiting for. Only available at Apoville, Cagayan de Oro City. Look at that juicy and meaty sausage. Tio's Homemade Sausage. Very delicious and it is not pretentious. Look at that meaty, juicy, and very heavy sausage. My wife really loves this and she tried it and eat it. Very delicious, yummy. Oh goodness, she loves it. Wow. And now I will try my very own taste test. Wow, and I open my mouth and it's really jarvelicious, extemporaneous and jigglypushous. Very exhalidocious. So what are you waiting for? Try now Tio's Homemade Sausage. Tio's Homemade Sausage. Only available at the FB page. You go to the FB page. Woo!